Say it one more time, I'm going to the ASMR mic.
You have ASMR mic? Show ASMR mic.
What?
You don't remember?
Hey guys.
Yes! Sex!
Can I drink here? Come.
I moved him. Don't need to thank me. I'll be back.
Silver say potatoes are nice.
Potatoes are nice.
Like your real voice.
Oh yeah.
You're very uncomfortable.
Oh, the thing's on me! I just feel like I'm peeing and then I wake up and then I come.
Okay.
I do not wish to be horny anymore. I just want to be happy.
Hello, your computer has virus?
Nah.
No. Weak.
Look at chicken! I killed it.
Because I can't.
Thank
you, sir.
That is a sheesh poggers moment.
Hello, your computer has virus!
MeeM, drop me a whoopa?
Yes!
Why is M1lver still 64 thick?
Anymore.
Yellow, we can teach you whenever we want. You better listen to us.
I don't need to be toxic though.
You want to see my cat?
I'm just
I have a
joking.
very nice cat! Meow meow!
My cat is called
Silver
Yellow,
is high.
Okay, is that how it is?
Silver sounds like a tractor.
I sound like a tractor.
Yes.
I sound like a cow. This is what I was going for. Huh?
You're so holy.
You sound like a horny tractor.
What? How do you know what a horny tractor sounds like?
He's been places where other people haven't been. Pricey.
Oh! That wasn't like, that was like my actual burp.
That was your actual burp. Sexy burp, my man.
My bad. Wait.
Hey, not nice. Hey, guy.
Do yourself!
On the bomb!
We have not won.
Can we crab walk with Beretta B?
Bro, MeeM, can you stop suggesting ideas?
Let's
get to 15 rounds first. Let's get to 15 rounds first.
Exit A, please.
Fuck smoke, let us smoke. And MeeM bought us smoke. MeeM bought us smoke.
Okay, you bought us smoke.
Time to get there. He needs some time to get there.
I'm gonna crab walk though.
Roll out, let's go. All the bots roll
I'm
out.
almost there.
Bam, 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 bam.
Alright, let's go.
Flashing. Yes! Triple stairs! Shooting each other!
This is so nice.
Why?
Let's go.
Silver is
please,
in
please,
pain.
Oh what? Mine ended? Oh wait. Oh, it's just lagging. Oh what? I think it's lagging because it can't keep up. Yeah. Oh, one tap
come
back.
B.
Okay, fine.
Bro, this chicken looks like edible. What the fuck?
What's that?
Wait, actually
It
though.
looks like I can eat it right now.